Hey guys, today I'm gonna show you how to unblock a phone number on ULEFONE Note 18 Pro. Firstly, go into the phone's app. Now go into contacts, and while you're in contacts, tap on the three dots in the top right corner and tap on settings, block numbers, and here are going to be displayed all the numbers that I have just blocked. And if I would like to unblock somebody, I just have to tap on the X, which is next on the opposite side to the phone number. So if I would like to unblock this guy, I just have to tap here and unblock. And that's going to be all. If I helped you, please leave a like and subscribe. And if you have any more questions, let us know in the comments.